Well, that looks delicious. Looks like I'm having dips tonight. Oh, hey guys. Let's talk about psychology in markets. If you're watching this video right now, I'm sure you know that everything's going down. Your stocks are going down, your crypto is going down. Nothing is safe. Pretty much everything's down. Well, maybe except for Hex. But I want to help you guys out. I am no way a professional. I don't do this for a living. I'm just a dude who's been trading for, I say, more than 6-7 years. So I have some experience with dips. I have some experience with losing 90% of my investments. So I've been there. The market is not a forgiving machine. The market does not care about your feelings. The market doesn't care that if you lose this investment, you won't be able to pay the rent. There's one thing I want you guys to own up on is your decision. The market doesn't owe you for losing your money. The market doesn't need to apologize to you when it dumps. This is all as a result of your actions. Now, I have so many people during the dip, during the bear market, they like to blame on everyone but themselves. They like to blame on people on Twitter. They like to blame on people on Discord. They like to blame YouTubers and be like, hey, I listened to what you said and I put my life savings in this investment and now I'm broke. Well, guess what, sir? Well, ma'am, I didn't put a gun on your head and tell you to invest. In fact, in every single one of my videos, in the description, I clearly stated that this is not a financial advice channel. This is something that you have to do your research on and decide whether to put your money in. So that is the number one thing I want to get it across, you guys, is that market doesn't care. Investment is risky. And I've been saying it from time to time. I get hundreds of DMs, hundreds of comments asking me, hey, should I buy this investment? Hey, I think this is good. Should I buy it now? Hey, this price looks pretty attractive to me. I like to put some money in. What do you think? Should I buy it now? Like every time I get a question like that, I always give the same answer. And that is, I don't know. And do your own research. Because if I know whether it's a good time to get in or not, I would be freaking rich. I wouldn't be applying for McDonald's applications, right? Because I'll just get in and buy myself. No one knows. Even those people who are claiming that they know technical analysis, like let's take this Bitcoin charts for example. Now, all the technical analysis people will tell you that, oh, you know what? This is a head and shoulders. You see there's a shoulder, there's a head, and this dump was predicted because of this pattern. And we're hitting the support right here. It looks like we have to hold the support and we might bounce back up pretty soon. That's what people will tell you. And you know what? They could be right. But at the same time, this could break down and then go all the way down to 2900s. It could totally happen. No one knows. That's the thing with markets, is that people can give you their best guesses, their educated guess, but they won't know exactly what's going to happen. If someone claims that they know exactly what's going to happen, stay away from that person because they're likely a scammer and they're trying to get you to put money in their shitcoin so they can dump the bag on you. All right. So there's no such thing as easy money in investment. In fact, investment is one of the hardest things I've ever done in my life. Let me tell you that. And I play a ton of games. I've done a lot of things in my life. Investments is the hardest thing, the hardest game you'll ever play in your life. It may look easy. Now, there's a lot of survivor bias on Twitter, on YouTube, where people put in like, I don't know, $1,000 and then they came out with like $1 million in profit next year. But you never hear about people who lost all of their money in crypto, right? So in investment, this applies not just crypto, but investment in general. So I want you guys to understand this is not an easy get rich quick scheme. When the word investment means putting your capital into something and hopefully that something can transform into something bigger and better. over a long period of time. Do not look for quick pumps because they will likely dump on you faster than you can take out your money. So that is my advice. I know things are hard right now, but I am not sweating. Why? Because I know the projects that I invest in are a long-term vision, and I believe in the founders, in the developers, in the teams. That's who I invest in. I invest in the people, not something that's hyped, full of hype, right? So I hope you guys learn something from this. I plan to do more of these real Degen talks. So let me know what kind of subjects you'd like me to talk about in the comments below. And yeah, like and subscribe. Please let me know what you think about this. And I plan to do a lot more of these just to give you guys some insights into the arts of investments, of life, of pretty much everything I learned in my life. I like to share with all of you, especially after my breakup video. You guys really came through. I really appreciate every single one of you. So I want to give that back by teaching you guys everything that I know. Again, strictly everything I talk here is my opinion. I may be dead wrong on things. So please do your research and take it if you want. But you feel free. You don't have to take anything I say seriously. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for subscribing. As always, I really appreciate it, guys. And I'll see you guys next time. Have a great day.